Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we'll talk about how to clean your Dyson Hot and Cool fan. This video will explore everything you need to clean your Dyson Hot and Cool fan, so stick around for the best guide. Cleaning the fan's exterior. First, unplug your Dyson Hot and Cool fan to prevent electrocution and allow you to clean the fan thoroughly. Next, dampen a cloth, wipe the fan's inner ring, then use a dry cloth to remove the moisture. Moisten and wring the cloth again, then use it to clean outside the ring. Again, use a dry cloth to remove the moisture. You can also use baby wipes or a paper towel. Use a tube attachment to vacuum the intake vents. These are the circular holes that wrap around the fan's base. Finally, use a paper towel or dry cloth to remove lingering dirt or dust around the intake vents. Do this until there's no more dust. Cleaning the fan's interior. With the exterior clean, turn your attention to the fan's interior. Here's how. First, twist the top in an anti-clockwise direction to detach it from the base. Doing so exposes the fan's insides. Consult your user manual if you're unable to do this. With the top off, use a moist cloth to clean the fan's top. You can also use a feather duster or baby wipes. Apply gentle pressure to wipe the dust and debris resting on the mechanical portion of your fan. Alternatively, use compressed air or a feather duster. Next, unthread the screws holding the ring around the base to expose the motor assembly. Once removed, use a damp cloth to wipe the motor assembly casing and impeller. Also, lift the motor assembly and vacuum. It's worth noting that wires connect the motor assembly to the base. As such, be careful when lifting the motor assembly. Finally, reassemble the fan. Start by inserting the motor assembly, then screwing the ring. Once done, twist the top onto the base, and you're done. Consult your manual if you're unsure about how to do this. After reassembling your fan, restore power and run a test to ensure everything works. So there you have it. Cleaning your Dyson Hot and Cool fan is a breeze. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.